Almighty is here. Governor Zoku is here. For the sake of the respect I have for members of my family, I should have used my own body to do this. But I will not do it. Some native doctors say they will enter grave and come out alive. Look at the grave. Look here. I want to show you an experiment with birds. Look at the grave very, very well. There is nothing inside. I should have used my body, put in the grave to show you this magic. But I want you to stop believing these people. There is nothing real about them. Here I will use my own hand. Buy this chicken. Here live on camera. I go bury him. The same chicken go come back alive. After I close the grave for about 30 minutes and above. I go put the fowl inside the coffin, put them inside that grave, bring her out. Live chicken go still come out from there. Watch inside the box, watch inside the casket. Tomorrow you say another chicken there inside. No chicken there inside, though. I hope you don't see inside. No chicken there inside. So I go use my hand now, strangle this one, then put them inside that same box. Put them for grave, cover them. Be patient with me, you will learn something here. One native doctor said the day when go do, they do this in next of all a day now, according to the information what I get. Saying go bury ram 2 days before that day. If he bury the ram, that day when they do a fall a day, the ram go come back alive. So make I use my hand now, buy this one. Watch oh. The essence of this my videos is to teach you. Don't believe in magic too much. Don't start sacrificing everything you have in the name of Okite, in the name of this, that. Watch, a whole lamb. Make him stop to the breathe first. We must learn. The chicken don't cool. I hope you see him. And don't put them inside. Make I put them inside the casket. This one I make you learn. I for use knife, my hand, but now because of Facebook, so I use hands, strangle. I hope you see them. I watch. I put them inside the casket, cover them. You don't see inside the casket, doubting Thomas. Learn. That thing they know. Many of you know it. Many of us know it, but we are not saying anything. And my body for use do one, but for the sake of the respect I have for Jesus, I have for God Almighty, I have for members of my family, friends and well-wishers, I will not go as far as challenging Jesus. He ran it, he delivered. These are the abracadabra they will do. I will make it very simple for you to see. Very, very simple. So native doctor say enter grave, come out, and that is all. You start giving him your money. You start running helter scatter to that place. So let's close it. Let's close the grave. The Shanamites. I am here. Your son is here, Governor Isiagu, the people's governor, son of the great Shanamite that lives amongst the angels. I only use every of these mystical opportunities to teach you. To teach you. Stop running to them. Powers are with you. Powers are around you. The only thing you lack is knowledge. That's all you lack. That's all you lack. Some of them will say, now join video. Which join? With your eyes shall you see. I will do everything to make it so simple to my word. I'll do everything to make sure that you see sense and wisdom in everything, will teach you. This is practical. This is practical. I can do this with a ram. In fact, let me shock you. Let me shock you. If I tie ram, that same Ofola where native doctor saying they do somewhere. Like I tell you, if me I tie ram, that particular native doctor, Akwa no go feel loser. In no go feel. I challenge you with everything. Akwa no go feel. If I put ram on top, Akwa no go feel challenge him. No feel loser. If you lose him, I'll go for third mainland bridge, use my hand, jump, enter. In fact, I will delete my Facebook page. I don't go near Facebook again. I'm not telling you all this to believe me. The essence of what I am preaching to you is not for you to start complaining to me anything. Don't worry. The essence of what I'm trying to teach you here is, don't believe everything these guys do. 99% are just mere primary magic. Even those who believe they have power can't even make noise, go as far as digging grave using the question God Almighty. The end of this generation will justify. The end, you will know. You will know, you will understand that no man can question his authority of revelation. Because some preachers do not do this kind of things because of the office of their calling. The genuine ones, so not all those fake ones, Prophet Libya them. Because they respect themselves. You see, one a cook, native doctor will begin. Where are all these native doctors coming from? All of a sudden, all of them surfaced. Yahoo native doctors. Yahoo Dibia. I need to go the agwu. Ina jump. Ina machagari. Praganish elements. No get any power. If you are giving any native doctor money because he enter grave, days and days come out. Take your money home. Go and keep your money to yourself. Don't be a victim. Don't be a victim. This is my mission. Never you be a victim. Never you be their victim. The Shanamite is here. So we are closing the grave right away. We are closing it. The same chicken will come out alive. And otherwise, I want you to see all of them who claim they enter grave and come out alive. See them as chicken. Before God Almighty, I see all of them as okuko, English fowl. See, you don't need to argue some of these things. I teach you. You only need to absorb the wisdom, the energy, the ability to think. You know why I'm making this video available for you? Is for you to know that somebody claimed he entered grave and come out. It's not enough reason for you to start being afraid of that person. Jesus did not go to the grave and sleep and come out. He is real, he lived. Jesus the empire first. No be him carrying neck, go give, say, buy me. No. Now men Banshiam. At the end of the day, the glory of God came down. The Shanamite and his son returned back to life to his glory. Why are you mocking God? One pimpi dibia. We cook a dibia. You have touched the pinnacle stage. And when you think you are doing it to mock God Almighty, you are mocking yourself. All your generation came and mock. My mind could not allow me. I was saying, let me do this by myself. But after asking questions, those around me said, you can still do it with an animal. Just reveal these secrets. Be patient with me. The Shanamite is here. Governor Zoku is here. The people's governor. Son of the great Shanamite. practical. And here I decided to lecture my boys. Lecture all of them. All of them. They've never seen me do this before. They have never seen me do this. But I told them long ago that I will do this one day. But when I remember God Almighty and I ask myself, will I go to the grave and deposit my body by myself? All because I want to teach, or all because you want to get fame? And indirectly you are mocking God. Many who mocked the prophet in the Bible, many of them were made men and women of leprosy. Hey! Didn't you hear about the Lawrence who came to question the authority of resurrection? The story I read then says that other people but now, for the sake of the respect I have for their religion also, I won't mention their name. So all this abracadabra, I am teaching you this practical only with Omo. Only. So they will tie these kind of things on their hands, claiming what? Magic is just command and control. That's the highest. The next level of magic is the more you look, the less you see, which is fraudulent. So you got to be very, very careful. That's the essence of this thing I'm teaching you. So I need to go around look for hot drink. Hold on, let me go and get a hot drink. Even if I didn't put hot drink, it will come back to life. It will. The only thing is just to teach you, to explain it better, to make you understand it better. That's why I have to look for hot drink. Because they will put hot drink. The hot drink I am bringing here has nothing to do with this. It has not. Those calabash they put inside the grave, put candle, put this, put. No. No, it doesn't add any value. So I've gone to look for hot drink and to also allow it stay longer in that grave. I should have kept it for 2 days or 3 days, but I wouldn't have that time. I wouldn't have that time. So just for it to stay longer a bit in that grave, then I will bring it out just few words and it will come back to life. With your eyes shall you see this one. With your eyes shall you see this. You shall see it happen. The Shanamite is here. The people's governor. Be patient. Let's see how this is possible. My name is Governor Ezioku. So the grave is covered, right? Picture exactly those ones they claim they do. Oga, magic is simple magic. Magic is magic. Spiritism is also good, but it does not allow you to be wicked. It does not allow you to turn around and start defrauding people. So I brought the hot drink. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Many of them, Kai helps them to run after women. Ibaru, Kai Sige, Gasagaro, one boy baroto. Dibiana Saga, Hona Biga Canara, simply because those lily puta. Small time on Dolong Gosaga Hosh, Umewezi Shivini, no. Oko. And you are a keypad master. Egrugu. That's what they will say. Egrugu. A boy a hot drink. Yawa Dibi and go to was small. If you put my idea and go to where small, yeah, his idea drink small. So let's go. then they will untie these kind of things. Brothers, those things, those omu they kept there, has nothing to do with this. It has nothing to do with this. So it's a simple magic. I could just say, this is where the main thing can now happen. I could just say a word of prayer. It's a command. It's a command and control. It's just a command and control. Now you see these ones I'm turning around me has nothing to do with this. Just that few words I said is enough. So let's open the grave now. Let's open it back again. This is just few things I'm showing you. In the coming months, weeks, years, days, I will explain and expose a lot to you. Only if you will learn. This teaching is not for everybody. It's just for few of you. May God give you wisdom to understand. May God give you wisdom. May He enlighten the eyes of your understanding. So I'm opening it again. It's not the same thing. I gave some time. And I am opening it either way. The Shanamite is here. The people's governor. I remove my watch. Be here. Son of the great Shanamite is here. That lives amongst the angels. I do not want anybody to help me dig it. I have to do it myself. My boys, my brothers, everyone here. You don't need to join me. I need to do this all alone. God, this is not to mock your name. This is to teach my generation that you alone. Obsogwa. Keburu. What's no way believe? The Shanamite that lives amongst the angels. Your glory. May it keep us. So I am digging it. I'm digging the grave that I may bring out the same bird, the same native fowl. Why I use this my hand strangle for your presence here on camera. Somebody rose from dead. Somebody okay be a boy you a boy. Oh man not is no believe okay also. The other man who came out on camera and talk nonsense. He had the way and the way believe no. He got him waraka buri si anwaga to pieces. When you see an Ili or you got an over the game Rosikuboya. There we will know that you are now the second Jesus. And they query that they are and they really Mandia de India Oko Konda Nesiaka Manoko. Bunch of them there are. So let's go. Don't be afraid of anything. Nah. All my life I've never digged like this before. So the bed is back. This is the same bed, yet alive. So look inside. Look inside. Just have to dig it out. Complete. But let's teach you first. We'll still bring out the casket at the end. So for Thomas, this is the evidence. Governor Isiagu is here, the people's governor. Do not be afraid. Do not be afraid of them. Never. Don't be afraid of them. They did not contribute anything to your life, so they cannot threaten you with something they think you can't understand or you can't do. Don't be afraid. In this generation, God will bring people like you and I, sons of the great Shanamites that lives amongst the angels, who will come practical to teach. Practical. Exactly. My name is Governor Isiagu, the people's governor, the Shanamites, son of the great Shanamite that lives amongst the angels. Help me share this video. Use it to educate those around you. Educate those around you. Governor Zoku is here. The Shanamites.